Welcome back to Code with Kamira. Today we are going to look at product info or product detail API. So when you look at the list of these APIs here, we have products. This gives us the list of products. So we have product, which is giving us the individual product, and that takes in a path variable ID. So let's go. We can as well do this. Okay, so we copy this. So the API is product. Okay, and it's going to be get product, not product. So get product. The response, we don't know it yet, so we make it dynamic here. And it has a path variable. So at path, and the variable is ID. All right. So we can pass a string which is called prodId. Okay. Now we'll go to products feature, here in the domain. Here we add another function that is getProduct, and this should take in a string prodId. And in repository and data, we add the implementation. So we can still copy this. Now what to change? Add here async. And this is get product. It should be get product, not products. Okay, it expects ID, product ID. So the rest should remain. Okay. Now we go to the logic here. We put the states. So loading state is going to be loading. It should be get single product loading. I advise you use words or naming that is direct forward. So it could be get single product loading. Okay. And for success as well, could be, let me first confirm loading if I didn't make an error. Product loading, good. So for success, you can say get single product success, get single product success, but we don't know the response yet, so we call it dynamic product. Okay. And the error state for this will be get single product error, get single product error. Okay. So in the Cubit, we can do this, copy, So this is going to be getProduct, and it expects a string prodId. So when we call this method, we need to immediately emit the get single product loading. And the response is from get product, which takes in that ID. The response here, we don't know it yet, so we can just say response.data. And let's print my single product. We call it response data. Okay. So to emit, we can just emit this response data. Okay. Now we have this error, so we need to auto-generate some files. Copy this. Do that. Meanwhile, as it auto-generates, let's check something here. Okay, it's done. So we need to call this function. Let's look for the home page. Okay. Products Cubit. Remember here we are just calling, but then when we design the UI, we shall know which API to call at which point. So the get product requires an ID, but I don't know which ID. So let me just use either 2 or 1. Let me use 1. We shall check. All right, now having done that, let me first add git add. Okay. Write the commit, git commit -m. The message should be product and implement the get product details feature. Okay. Now let's build and see. So in the Cubit, in the product Cubit, we need to check here if we get this. Let's log in. Emily's is pass. So we can receive the data. Let's check it. So we have this response. ID is 1, title is this, description is this. Okay. So let me just confirm whether this is a right instance of the product. Let's look for product. Get product should give us the product itself. It should give us the product, list of product. I title this. Okay, so this one returns the product. So that means when in our API's client, get product is returning a product. Okay. And in the Cubit, let's do this. Okay. So in the Cubit, we expect this response to be as product, and in success we emit what happened. Okay, this success is going to emit get single product success. Okay, and as product, so this is already a product, so I can set products. Is that product, and here we emit product. Okay, so I can now say my actual product is this product, but to JSON. Product.json. Let's log out. Also, the error state is the get single product error. So it's Emily's pass. Let's confirm if we have this logged. Great, so we have it. So we have this product. Okay, this means our get individual product or product details or product info API is working successfully. And that is it for now. Thanks for watching Code with Kamira, and kindly subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, for we are expected to learn a lot of concepts without rushing. And you can invite your friends, share with your friends this YouTube channel. Our target is to hit the first 1,000 subscribers. Bye.